A man's duty is to protect and to provide. As creation stated, a woman place belongs in the home, but because of society and cost of living, two-person in a relationship has to go out there and put their shoulder to the wheel and work to make ends meet. Some women are paid more than men, while the men pay less. If you're in a relationship and the woman is getting more pay than you, please don't take it as a beaten stick to the woman, and don't take it as a curse. Don't feel less than because your wife work better than you, more money than you, and you work less. I have seen this destroy relationship where jealousy steps in and the man is saying, "Oh, you work money more than me. I'm not supposed to contribute towards the bills because you have more money than me." It's not supposed to be like that. And some men, when a woman is working, them no want give you no money. Them feel so because you work more money than them not supposed to give you no money. It no work like that. You're supposed to take care of your woman. Men, I am speaking nicely to you. You're supposed to take care of your woman. If the woman work more money than you and you don't give the woman no money, you don't know so somebody else out the road I go give it to her. Somebody else I go pay for her ear, her nail. Somebody else I go treat her. And this is why some of uno men uno end up losing a woman because uno no know if you treat woman. Uno feel say woman fi come in our house and be a furniture. You have sheer responsibility. I help with the dishes. You help cook. You help with the chores in the house as man. Help your woman. Because some of uno man feel say uno back in the stone age when a woman fi do this and a woman fi do that. There is no work where labor say a woman fi do and a man fi do this. A woman have her day off. You wouldn't give the woman a break. Sometimes she no feel like cooking. No. Say, okay, honey, we are going to eat out. We are going to take in food today. As tired and as train wreck as some of these, especially when they work in healthcare, these work, toss you to and fro and you go home. You can't go home to peace in your home. Some of them man, you then trace off your drawers off of you. Then trace more than any woman. Then cuss them browbeat you. That time you're tired. That time your poor little brain I give way. Some men feel said enough to give woman money. But me have a question for you. Who tell you so? I want which book you read. I want to get that from. If you not take care of your woman, you're leaving somebody else to do that job. And then when woman cheat, you say woman cheat, woman this and everything. I'm not supporting cheating. That's not why I'm saying this. But you have to take care of grass in a few yard. Because if you don't take care of grass in a few yard, somebody else out the road are going to take care of grass for you. And when they start trim the grass and make the grass proper, then you lose it all. Some of the women them would have dying to go out. The man not carry them no way. I want to hear about. I wish book you not read. You decide say. You no want go nowhere. I was in a relationship. And I said to my partner at the time, each time, I said, why I don't want to work all week and come in at the house. I'm just from church to home, church to home. Come, let's even go for a walk. Him tired. Him not gonna know him tired. And every day is the same thing. Come, let's go on the boardwalk. Every day is the same thing. So some of the women, them are prisoner in their own home. Not every relationship you see looking smooth is smooth. Relationship go through rough patches. People put on faces to go out there for sure. People say, yes, we are the complete family. But it's not so in the home. Some of them women here go through hell. I have been there and I have done that. I'm a living testimony, and this is why I can speak on this topic. I remember going through my situation, and I went to church one day and somebody said, "Are you okay?" And the tears started running down my face. I wasn't okay. I was going through hell and back. And people see us and they thought that we were the perfect couple. And we were on our way to heaven. So sometimes you see people's faces, they put a smile on their face just for people not to ask them any question. You show a pleasing face, because if you're too sad, people is going to read into your story and you don't want nobody in your business. I remember one day in a taxi and I was crying, and the driver said, "Why are you crying?" Because I was going through hell and I wasn't sharing with anybody. I keep everything in, so it start to bubble up and everything start to come out. Another time I was coming from work, and when on my way home, I didn't want to go home. I didn't want to go home. So I idle, meaning that I stop on the road and wait until hours pass before I go home, because I know that home is miserable. Some of them mania, then trace you, then browbeat you secretly, and then people think they are the best and they are the person that they could look up to. It's wrong, because you don't know. And if some of these women should tell you their story, you would cry for them. I'm telling you. I know everything glitter where you see a gold. Some of them mania, you don't know if them are slave driver behind closed door. They are slave drivers. They not give woman a break. Moreover, when they have children in a relationship, they not feel to them for help. So when woman come home, woman kill themselves with housework and children. And then I have to get up early in the morning and go tackle back work again. Sometimes I wonder, where is the heart of some of these men? And most of them are Jamaican, Jamaican men. Because them come and them feel say you have to peel out the banana out of the skin. But me tell somebody, I am not peeling no banana out of no skin. From me there Jamaica, me I eat banana in my skin. So if you want me to boil your banana, you go and get in my skin. Me not peel no banana. I am not. I will cook anything you want me cookie. Me not peel no banana. Though when you get in ice skin, you get the iron. Yes, I just say thing there. So, men, compliment your woman. Show them that you appreciate them. Show them love. Woman birthday, buy even a 99 cents banana chips. 99 cents, sweetie. Buy something and give your woman. Make them know so you appreciate them. It don't have to be a big gift. You drive, put a little love note on the seat. Some of them man you know no courtesy because they not open door for woman. Me have a problem with that. Man must open the door. That's why Caucasian men be to no straight and lane. You know why? A Caucasian man, he might open the door for you. Him no want you touch door. A Caucasian man, he might write a little love note on the seat left for you. Something for you to smile about. And he might give you a little postcard. Them your man ya, them need to know how to treat woman. You want to keep your woman, ask me how. You need to do the things you're supposed to do. Be a gentleman. If your woman, you go out with your woman. Somebody have to tell us if you pull out a chair for your woman sit down. Don't let her pull out the chair. You pull the chair out. And you open the door. Some of them man you not learn courtesy. Compliment your woman. Buy something nice for your woman we like to see her in her. And some of no man who have more than one woman, who do it to your woman out the road. And now do it to your woman on the yard we have no picnic. So men no need to step up. You no wonder why you no get bun. These are the things when you get bun because somebody else has showed the woman out the road how a man fi treat a woman. So that's why the woman then fall for the man out the road. Because the things them when you not do a yard, it a do abroad. And some of the man them not do certain thing a yard, but then go out abroad, go do it. You have to learn to please your woman. Please women. Please men. And I'm not saying it in a language that I'm saying a man must have many women. No. And I'm not saying that women must have more than one man or men. That's not what I'm saying here. One partner, chicken can cook many different ways. So if you have your partner and you're falling out of love, try fall back in it. Try find a way to fall back in it. But some of no man no just hold on the damn control button. You no decide to let it go. When you no decide to hold the control button and no let it go, your woman have no say so. And when a woman in a relationship and a woman feel like she cannot communicate to you, it's always a problem. A woman like to be heard. A woman like to be heard. Some of these men, they don't like woman question them. If you don't want somebody to question you, why in a relationship? Why in a relationship? You don't want to be questioned. And you have to have certain questions to ask. A woman in a relationship should feel free. She should not feel like she's a prisoner in a relationship, that she's walking on eggshells. It no work, so. Some of them relationships are too hostile. Woman have to walk on eggshell because she can't say anything. She have to choose what she say. Free. You should be free to say what you want to say. And if it offends somebody, I'm sorry that I offended you and I stand corrected. But when in a relationship, communication is a vital tool in a relationship. That's why some relationships don't work, because people don't know how to communicate. I may say, the book look red. And you say, no, the book look blue. I can say, I respect your views about the book being that color. But on my end, I see it in a different light. You respect my point of view. I respect your point of view. So respect goes a long way. I rather respect than love, because if you disrespect me, no love now come. So RESPCT, respect. Yes. So I think I've said enough. Please like my video. Please subscribe to my video. Thank you for watching. I'm out.